Hello everyone. So today in this video, we are going to start one of the most important, that is the this is here we are starting target for CIV, right? So now we have only 1 week for the first paper, that is ABM, right? And next we will have, that is BFM and retail, right? So here we will discuss completely how the approach should be to complete the things and to feel confident at least and to clear all the exams in one go, right? So this time we are not having BFM and retail both are consecutively, so we don't have much time. So in this 1 week, first week you have to complete ABM plus retail, right? Retail is so easy. If you are giving first at least something 6 hours from these 7 days or 6 days, 6 hours, then retail will be done from that one side, and then you will have also one something like 12 hours. That time you can also give 6 hours, right? So from this today you need to focus for the next 1 week mainly for ABM, right? And ABM is somehow easy as compared to BFM, and BFM is more numerical oriented. In BFM, what we are going to do, in BFM we are also going to upload some more videos like our my own notes which I have made it during my own preparation, right? And in ABM here I thought I need to follow my notes, so that here you can also take your own small notes, and whatever doubt you have you can refer the Macmillan book. You should have the Macmillan book with you, so that if you are unable to read or you are unable to understand small concept, then you can easily refer to the books, right? And if you want to know more, then you can refer the books. So have the first thing is what the thing we need to do before the attempting the and before watching all those videos. First thing you have to do that read the syllabus completely, and you can refer here. In this video we are going to discuss the syllabus, not the syllabus, the patterns, how, right? And the next thing you have to have the Macmillan book, that is the by IIBF, and then everything will be done. And you need to approach this exam more smartly, like you need to focus, right? So let's start this video. So in this video we'll discuss the HRM, that is in ABM. This is very important one, because to clear the in CIV exam we need to go step by step. There are 3 steps, right? And if and BFM is the middle, this is the retail, this is ABM, then this is BFM. And if you are thinking BFM is so tough and you are preparing only for BFM, and then if you are unable to clear ABM, then there is no use of BFM also, right? So if you want to clear all the exams in one attempt, then you need to focus all the things. Don't take retail as very easy or any optional subjects. You also need to clear that subject also. Nowadays case studies are coming, not like before, like in retail one direct questions, but here also case studies are coming, right? So we are also going to discuss some more and more case studies, and we have also made some telegram groups. There the discussions are going on, and some quiz group, right? So we have already discussed some chapter wise quizzes. Now we are also adding some case studies, right? So you can join. This link will be in the description box, and they contact the admin, they will add you and follow the procedures. So here for the ABM you need to, now we have 1 week. Those who have studied, then they can revise it already, and those who are thinking they have not completed all those things, they need to plan from now, right? It doesn't matter who have studied or who have not. This, if you are utilizing this 1 week more efficiently, then you are in, right? So those who have thinking like that, they should plan for ABM first. Now forget the BFM, because if you are clearing ABM, then you are in for, then you are in the competition, right? Then you are in for the BFM also, then you will feel motivated for BFM at least. So for the next one day you just try to read simultaneously also retail, right? And here we are discussing the ABM1. सो हम पर्टिकुलर इस वीडियो में ये डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जो ABM में हमारा जो चैप्टर्स है, हम ऑलरेडी इसका जो ABM है उसका वीडियोस अपलोड कर चुके हैं पूरे फुल मॉड्यूल वाइज. सो हियर विल डिस्कस व्हाट टू रीड इन द मॉड्यूल C and how to take your short notes, so that before the exam night you don't need to read all the module C again and again, but you need to revise, right? So here I am sharing the notes, and this is the note what I have not note, that is something like reference I have taken, and this is just for reference, that's why this is roughly I have written something. So just follow the concepts, don't go for the way of writings and all this thing, handwriting. So we just need to refer and need to clear the exams in one go, and that's our motto, that to motivate everyone to clear this exam in one go at least, right? So this is not impossible, but this is the something which many have already done, including me also, right? So let's start the one. सो हम देख सकते हैं कि HRM में पहले क्या था ना, 20 to 22 मार्क्स आता था, राइट? बट अभी आपका 30 to 35 मार्क्स केस स्टडी आ जाता है, राइट? सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्वेश्चंस थियोरिटिकल रहता है, जो भी आप पढ़े होंगे ना मैकमिलन बुक में वहीं से क्वेश्चंस डायरेक्ट ले रहे हैं, बट केस स्टडी में बस आपको एनालिटिकल कर दिया है. क्या कर दिया है आपको? एनालिटिकल, राइट? बस अभी जो केसेस है वो एनालिटिकल हो गया है. So this is something you need to analyze. That's why you need to clear all the bit by bit HRM. At least in a short go, you need to clear your all doubts. You have the capability. You should have the capability to analyze the things, right? So let's start. जो हमारा first HRM का है यूनिट हमारा है फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ HRM. इस यूनिट आपका बेसिक्स ऑफ HRM रहता है, इसमें 2 मार्क्स या 3 मार्क्स आता है, राइट? सो इसमें आपका क्या आता है, देखिए HRM ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, HRD ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट and role of HR, right? And this, we have already uploaded module C videos in our playlist. You can follow that CIIB focused playlist. Then there we have already discussed some reference for the Macmillan book, so you can follow that. But here we will discuss some important points. This is here we are discussing what we have to focus in the module C of the HRM, and after that we are also trying to upload some more and more videos of my notes what I have prepared for my reference, right? सो इसमें आपका रोल ऑफ HR जो है इम्पोर्टेंट है. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज HRD एंड इट्स सब सिस्टम, HRM, राइट? HRD एंड इसका सब सिस्टम क्या है आपका फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल में, बस आप इसको थोड़ा सा आइडिया रखिए HRM क्या होता है एंड HRD ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट, राइट? सो नेक्स्ट में आपका जो है इसमें क्या क्या कंप्लीट करना है देख लीजिए. जो मॉड्यूल हमारा मॉड्यूल C का जो नेक्स्ट यूनिट होता है डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, इसमें ये आपका इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसमें से आपका 6 to 7 मार्क्स आ जाता है, राइट? सो इसमें आपको जॉब एनालिसिस, मतलब जॉब एनालिसिस में क्या क्या इंक्लूड किया जाता है, हाउ जॉब एनालिसिस, कोई भी जॉब देने से पहले हमें क्या क्या देखना पड़ता है, एटीट्यूड ऑफ अ पर्सन, कैरियर पाथ प्लानिंग, हाउ वन पर्सनल शुड प्लान हिज कैरियर, एंड नेक्स्ट है कैरियर एंकर्स, लोकस ऑफ कंट्रोल, ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. देन पावर बेस मीन्स डोमिनेटिंग, जैसे कि किसी जो हमारा जो बैंक में अगर कोई BM रहा उसको हायर पावर में रहेगा, जो सबऑर्डिनेट रहेगा ही विल फील समथिंग लाइक, बट हाउ दैट इज पावर बेस. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, राइट? सो नेक्स्ट है हमारा जो इसमें आपका है लोकस ऑफ कंट्रोल, ये होता है आपका इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल, राइट? इंटरनल में मीन्स आपका जो ओन फैक्टर्स है वो सब मैटर करता है, एंड एक्सटर्नल मीन्स जो एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स है वो अफेक्ट करता है आपका लोकस ऑफ कंट्रोल को. देन कैरियर एंकर्स इसका क्या टाइप है, राइट? एंड ऑल्सो समथिंग लाइक इसका क्या क्या टाइप्स है एंड व्हाट इज़ नीडेड एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट, सो लाइक दैट, राइट? सो नेक्स्ट है हमारा जो और कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट्स है सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट. इसमें हमारा क्या है some points you need to read this, some 1 to 2 points, right? Morale, emotional intelligence, we have already discussed in our in our videos, we have already uploaded, you can follow that. Just that's for the reference, you need to have the book with you so that your doubts and your things will be more clear, right? So here emotional intelligence, this is very important. Some questions will come directly from this chapter, right? एंड नेक्स्ट है आपका जोहारी विंडो कॉन्सेप्ट. ये आपका कुछ कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट है, उसमें से जोहारी विंडो जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, इसमें इसका जो जोहारी विंडो कॉन्सेप्ट है इसमें मेन पार्ट ये था, हाउ मच वन नोज हिमसेल्फ एंड नोज अदर. मतलब हाउ वन नोज हिमसेल्फ, मतलब कैसे कोई अपने को खुद को कैसे जानना है, कितना आप अपने को जानते हैं, और हाउ यू नो अदर्स. So this is the main concept of Johari windows. You can make some short points so that you can refer this, right? So next जो हमारा है, देखिए यहाँ पर 20 नेक्स्ट यूनिट ह्यूमन इम्प्लीकेशंस ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सी आपको जो जो यूनिट्स में है उसमें से कुछ कुछ टॉपिक पढ़ना है ना. बुक बहुत बड़ा है, अभी आप अगर 1 वीक में पढ़ने के लिए बैठ जाएंगे आपको ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, बट आप पढ़ते ही रहेंगे, राइट. सो अगर आपका एग्जाम फोकसिंग है देन यू नीड टू फोकस सम इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. देन ह्यूमन इम्प्लीकेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ये भी आपका इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसमें 3 to 5 मार्क्स आ जाता है, राइट. 3 to 5 मार्क्स. सो ये वाला फुल इंपॉर्टेंस है. सो नेक्स्ट है हमारा, जैसे इसमें आपका आता है कौन सा, जैसे बिहेवियर. बिहेवियर कैसा रहना चाहिए, तो लाइक फॉर यू एंड विथ अदर्स, पर्सनैलिटी एक आ जाता है, राइट. सो और इसमें कॉन्सेप्ट है ब्रेन का कैसे हमारा काम करता है. जैसे लेफ्ट साइड का कुछ कुछ हमारा इंटेलिजेंस के हिसाब से कुछ काम करता है, मैथमेटिक्स के लिए हमारा लेफ्ट और राइट साइड से कैसे काम करता है. ये वाला जो इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है इसको हमारा वीडियोस में ऑलरेडी अपलोड किया गया है मॉड्यूल सी का फॉर ABM, राइट. लेफ्ट एंड राइट साइड में कौन सा गया है, इसमें एक टेबल है, आप उसको फॉलो करिए. इसमें से आपको सी और शॉर्ट 1 to 2 मार्क्स, वेरी श्योर. सो नेक्स्ट है आपका Maslow hierarchy of needs. This is also very important. देखिए Maslow hierarchy of needs, ये जो बहुत सारा नीड का आपका थ्योरीज है, इसमें से आपका Maslow hierarchy needs बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसमें आपको बस कुछ नहीं, बस कुछ फंडामेंटल्स एंड सेल्फ एस्टीम, सेफ्टी एंड डिरेक्टर्स that you need to follow. Just read this small points, right. सेफ्टी क्या रहना चाहिए, मतलब हमारा जो नीड रहता है वो सेफ्टी फैक्टर्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, हमारा जो सेल्फ एस्टीम एंड और कुछ लाइक दैट. सो नेक्स्ट इसमें से एक पॉइंट है ERG का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है. G फॉर ग्रोथ, E फॉर एग्जिस्टेंस, R फॉर रिलेटिवनेस, राइट. सो just you need to understand these terms, it will help you. So next हमारा है और एक पॉइंट, ये हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि आपको HRM में क्या क्या पढ़ना चाहिए. what you need to read, what you need to cover at least in HRM, right. So in this 1 week, this is more than enough time. First complete the HRM, then go and then cover some important formulas in module B. हम इसमें वो भी डिस्कस कराएंगे कि कौन सा फार्मूला आपको कवर कर लेना है. सो होपफुली विल हैव द टाइम सो दैट वी कैन कवर ऑल दिस थिंग्स, राइट. सो रोल कंसेप्ट्स ऑफ एनालिसिस, ये वाला इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप इसको बस एक लाइन कुछ जस्ट नीड टू हैव द आइडिया. अगर आप वो वाला वीडियो देखते हैं देन आपको अच्छे से आइडिया आ जाएगा. देन साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट, राइट. सो नेक्स्ट वाला हम देख लेते हैं क्या है. सो नेक्स्ट जो हमारा यूनिट है दैट इज एम्प्लॉय फीडबैक एंड रिवार्ड सिस्टम्स. एम्प्लॉय फीडबैक, हमारे रिवार्ड सिस्टम्स. आप अगर इस सेंटेंस को पढ़ेंगे, इसको तो आपका कॉमन आइडिया ही तो है. मतलब एम्प्लॉय, हम जो हमारा HRM जो सर्विस देता है उसमें फीडबैक तो होने चाहिए कि हाउ दे आर वर्किंग, हाउ द एम्प्लॉयज आर गेटिंग सेटिस्फाइड. सो आपको बेसिक थिंग है, इसमें आपको ज़्यादा पढ़ना नहीं है, बस आप एक ही बार वाला वीडियो देखिए आपको कुछ आइडिया आ जाएगा, राइट. एंड रिवार्ड सिस्टम, हाउ द एम्प्लॉयज आर गेटिंग रिवार्डेड फॉर देयर एफर्ट्स, how they are feeling motivated with the reward, how they are accepting the reward, and how the behavioral factor of the employees, right. It will be clarified from this. So this is reward and compensation. Reward means something like we are going to inspectives and incentives, and sometimes we are getting some more and more salaries, right. And in normal corporate world we are getting something like bonus word we are using, right? So this is very important also, that is 3 to 4 marks. Then how this is, next one is performance management. In performance management you just need to understand how the performance has been managed, matlab how the talented who are performing very well, how they are getting some more opportunities to enhance their knowledge, to enhance their performance. So this is how the organizations is managing their personnel or employees performance, how they are giving opportunities to go further and further. That is something like career progress. सो नेक्स्ट है 360 डिग्री अप ओवरऑल, राइट. सो एक है इसमें कुछ है हमारा पॉइंट्स जो 360 डिग्री का अप्रोच है. हालो फैक्टर से विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू वन ट्रेट टू गिव फुल डेफिनेशंस. मतलब इसमें हालो फैक्टर है, हम एक ही कैरेक्टर को देख के हम फुली डिफाइन कर लेंगे, राइट. सो नेक्स्ट है हमारा NBO, that is manage MBO, that is managed by objective. मतलब we are defining the performance with respect to objective, मतलब how the objective of the work has been achieved. So with respect to that factor we are analyzing the performance. So these are the something factors. This is 360 degree, मतलब we are covering all the factors like how the objective has been done. So here you can complete all those things, right. So next है हमारा HRM and IT, राइट. सो इसमें हम आप देख सकते हैं कि HRM एंड IT नॉर्मली जो है एक फैक्टर है हमारा HRIS, राइट. नेक्स्ट है रोल ऑफ IT, नॉलेज एंड मैनेजमेंट. सो इसमें सबका 3 मार्क्स आ जाता है. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है आपका जो मॉड्यूल C. सो आपको इसको देख सकते हैं एंड इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड देन यू कैन ऑल्सो comment and also tell us if you like it, then we will make some more and more videos of our short notes so that you will refer and clear all the exams, specifically CIB in one go. And like always, if you like it, like the videos so that and tell us whether we are going to upload some more videos regarding the CIB so that you can clear in one attempt or in one go. And the more important thing, we can share the strategy, we can share you that how to study, but more important you need to study. If you know you are working and you need to dedicate some time for the after the working hour. During our preparation also we prepare with the work, we have not taken any holiday, right. So so you can prepare while working also, right. So just need to refer the need to give next 1 week at least 2 hours 3 hours per day, so that during the last day of the week you will not feel more pressured. And you can follow us at CIB focused. Just write it in the Telegram, just download the Telegram, CAIIB focused. This is the Telegram group, so you can join here and you can contact the admin so that you will be added in the quiz group. There we are discussing some case studies and some more quizzes, right. So thanks for watching the videos. Thank you.